Oil and gas both started off the week on a strongly bullish note with the rising uncertainty, with the rising tensions in the Middle East and the potential closure of the Strait of Hormuz. We have seen oil hitting the highs or opening with the gap up towards 77.8 and now erasing all the gains. It has come down to the support zone at 75. While it is natural gas, it is also traded with moderate bullishness hitting the highs at $4 levels today. What to expect from oil and gas today? Is this bullishness going to prevail? Are we looking forward to a move beyond 80 in crude oil and natural gas towards 4.2, 4.4? Or the highs are done and ready for a reversal? What should be our strategy today in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicate. This is the first update for the day. The next one will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch it. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. First, let's have a look at oil on the hourly charts. Clearly, higher highs are seen and it is also delivering higher lows. This is the channel in which it is trading. It is pretty important for oil to now trade below 74, 72 zone in order to confirm the bearishness today. See what has happened. It is opened with a gap up. It is pulled down. It is filled. It is dropped here and it is now aspiring to fill the gap. Filling the gap means it can move all the way towards 74. But for that, I will only recommend you to sell if you see it is staying below 74.8, where you can expect 74, 74.2 as the first target zone. And if that is taken, more business should prevail here. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is trading with extreme divergence. It's staying bullish here. The RSI is staying flat. On the 2 hour charts, the observation is more or less same. See one bearish candle sideways movement. Now current one is going to be important. If you see it is staying below 74.80, take a sell for 74, 74.2 as the first target zone. If it trades below 74, 74.2, this will be the confirmation of further downside. But you can see a greater support coming into picture at around 73.5, 73, and then till 72 it has got great support. Only below 72 you should treat oil as bearish. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD after hitting the lows has crossed over. It is suggestive of further bullishness. RSI is rising as well. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. One bearish candle, see it might deliver a sideways candle here, and when the next one arrives, you have to wait for it to breach the preceding candle's low. Once it trades below preceding candle's lows, you can say the movement is going to be stronger. 74, 74.2 or 73 can be seen here. But right now, too early to conclude. It can still reverse and rise. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is crossed over again for a buy, and the RSI is almost staying flat. On the 4 hour charts, when you look at, similar is the observation. Notice what is happening here. After dropping here, we have seen the bearishness getting diminished and it is trying to recover. But now the buying entry in oil is only if you see it is staying beyond 76 and 76.4. Remember, it is going to be outside Bollinger Bands and hence it is feeling difficult, or it is finding it difficult to break beyond. Also notice after every rise it comes back towards 20 period moving average, and this could not be other exception here. It might move towards 20 period, which is sitting at 74, 73.6 levels here. The stochastic has dropped, signs of slight bearishness. The MACD is also trading with moderate bearishness, and the RSI, if you look at it, is almost staying flat. Coming to daily chart, on the daily chart, similar observation. See, rise, consolidation, and then this breakout has appeared. Potentially it is going to be difficult now for oil to break below this zone at 74, 72. This is going to be pretty strong support zone here, and at best what it can try to do, it can try to move towards 74 or in fact 73 levels, which should offer a maximum support. Drop below 72 will confirm a stronger reversal. Remember, drop below 72 should take it all the way towards 70 or 68. I do not expect this, but yes, these are markets. The stronger it rises, the faster it rises, the stronger it corrects as well. The stochastic here at top, the MACD is trading with divergence and is staying bullish. The RSI is overbought. So things are certainly slightly overbought here for crude oil. So now what to expect, where to enter, where to exit? Let's see. But before that, if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my 33rd mentorship batch starting 30th of June. Invest in learning first. This is the only investment which can give you profits throughout your life. Connect with me for details related to the mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email, ping me on Telegram for your queries. The contact details are there in the channel and video description. And those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First is where you should buy. Ideally now the buying entry has to be above 75.8 levels. If you see it is staying beyond 75.8, Initiate a buying entry, expect 76.2, 76.4 as the first target, and if that is taken, then 77.4. 77, 77.4, 77.5 first target, and 78.6 should be the next. Remember, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 74.8, where you can expect 74, 74.2 as the first target, 73.6 at the next, and 73 as the third. If it trades below 73, stay bearish, stay short. We are looking forward to the next move towards 72. Below 72, it will enter into a correction zone, which appears difficult as of now. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at natural gas. See, natural gas, after correcting sharp right from 4.2 levels to all the way towards 3.9, we have seen it now retracing. Though the moving averages have crossed over here and also it has given a gap up, yet I can see neither the bulls nor the bears taking the charge today. It is staying in a zone and let it break beyond the resistances and the support in order to take a direction, confirm a direction. The moving average is crossing over here is a bearish sign on the early charts. Stochastic is bearish. MACD has taken a good hit. Wait for it to cross over for a buy. And it is not that it cannot drop further, but it is almost at the bottom here. And that is what it is doing. It is trying to consolidate in a range. Wait for the MACD to come up and then drop again. RSI rising, coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 2 hour charts, if you look at the 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts right now, 50 period offering it a good support here and it is staying in the zone. It has to come out of the zone. If you see it is staying beyond 4.02, you can initiate a buy. Expect 4.0506 as the first target zone. 4.1 is the next. Only and only if natural gas trades above 4.1 is stay bullish, this might lead to a complete recovery towards 4.16, 4.2. The moving averages after staying divergent have finally starting to converge, not yet crossed over though. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading sharply bearish, it is not yet converged or crossover. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to 3 hour chart, on the 3 hour chart, similar observation. Notice after the drop and the support from 50 period, it is trying to trade in this moderate bullish channel. So either it trades below 73.3.98 levels here, and below 3.98 you can expect more bearishness ahead towards 3.9 and lower levels. Right now it is staying in the zone. Right now it is struggling to break lower, and any drop below 3.9 and 3.8 is a clear sign of further bearishness here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is trading with divergence, is staying bearish looking downwards. The RSI is flat here. When you see the 4 hour chart, see similar observation. The 20 period offering it a little resistance, and also the prices, the moving averages which are trading with divergence have turned flat. And right now, in fact, is starting to converge. A crossover here, it will only mean a reversal. Right now, it is not yet crossed over. When you see the stochastic here on the 4 hour charts, after hitting the lows, it is trying to recover, which suggests little bullishness can be expected here. But when you look at the MACD, see crossing over at the top, and then the bears have taken over. See this? Every rise offsets with a drop here. This might not be other exception. It can try to erase some of the gains. RSI coming out of the overbought zone here, trading bearish. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, notice after straight bullish candles, one drop candle, one bearish candle has appeared. Today it has started on a flat note. And now once you see it is staying below 3.9, it is stay short for 3.94, 3.92 as the first target zone, and below this 3.86, 3.8 level should appear at the next. Remember, one pullback might follow up with a second pullback candle as well, where the prices might head lower. But right now I can say it is not yet suggestive of same. Notice after the rise it is retest, then consolidation, and then this bigger rise. But when you look at the move here, after every rise it comes back towards the bottom here. The lows here are all the way now towards 3.8, 3.6 zone. The stochastic has dropped. Right now trading bearish. The MACD has crossed over, trading with moderate bullishness. The RSI is flat at top. So considering this, where you should buy? See, I will only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying beyond 4.02 levels. Right now it is 4.002. I will recommend you to buy at 4.02. When you see the lower prices above 4.02, expect a little rise, and then we can see it moving towards 4.0506 first target zone, 4.1 the next, and if it stays beyond 4.1, again the prices are going to head all the way towards 4.2. Appears difficult but not impossible. On the downside now, I'll recommend a selling entry at 3.98, where we can expect 3.9594 as the first target zone, 3.9, 3.92 as the second. If at all net gas decides to stay below 3.9, stay short for 3.86 and 3.8 levels as the next, and below 3.8 it's a greater reversal which should be seen here. So take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do watch the next update before the US session. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Thank you.